Hey everyone! Let's talk about mortgages in Canada. A mortgage is like a big loan that helps you buy a house or a condo. You borrow money from a bank or a lender and then you pay it back over time, usually 25 years. Your monthly payments cover two things: the principal, which is the original amount you borrowed, and the interest, which is like the fee for borrowing the money. Mortgage rates are super important because they decide how much interest you pay. There are two main types, fixed and variable. Fixed rates stay the same for a set time, so you know exactly what you'll pay each month. Variable rates can go up or down, which can be good if rates fall, but not so good if they rise. Right now, in early 2025, fixed rates are about 4.15% for 3 and 5 year terms. 1 year fixed rates are a little higher, over 5%. Variable rates are around 4.3% with mortgage brokers and closer to 5% at the big banks. The Bank of Canada, which is like the main bank for the whole country, has a big influence on rates. They recently lowered a key rate, which has helped keep things stable. But remember, rates can change depending on how the economy is doing and things like inflation. Your credit score is like a report card for your finances. It tells lenders how good you are at borrowing and paying back money. A good credit score is really important for getting a mortgage with good terms. If your score is 760 or higher, that's awesome. You'll get the best rates because lenders see you as very reliable. A score between 700 and 759 is still good, and you'll get competitive rates. A score from 600 to 699 is okay, but you might pay a little more interest. If your score is below 600, it might be harder to get approved for a mortgage. You might need a larger down payment or someone to co-sign with you. Lenders also look at how much money you make. They want to be sure you can afford the mortgage payments. They use two main ratios, the gross debt service ratio, or GDS, and the total debt service ratio, or TDS. Your GDS should be no more than 32% of your gross monthly income. This includes your mortgage payment, property taxes, and heating costs. Your TDS shouldn't be over 40% of your income. This includes all your debts like credit cards and car loans. Having lots of debt can make it harder to get a mortgage. Lenders use your TDS ratio to see how much of your income goes to paying off debt. If your TDS is too high, you might not qualify for a mortgage, or you might get a higher interest rate. To get a mortgage in Canada, you need to be at least 18 years old, or 19 in some provinces. You also need to be a Canadian citizen, a permanent resident, or have a work permit. You'll also need a down payment. This is the money you pay up front when you buy a property. The minimum down payment is 5% for homes under $500,000. For homes over $1 million, you'll need at least 20% down. If your down payment is less than 20%, you'll need mortgage default insurance. This protects the lender if you can't make your payments. It's usually provided by the Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, or CMHC. There are a few other things to think about when getting a mortgage. The amortization period is the total time it takes to pay off your mortgage, usually 25 years. But it can be longer or shorter. The term is the length of time your interest rate is locked in for. It can be anywhere from 6 months to 10 years. At the end of the term, you'll need to renew your mortgage at the current rates. You might also think about refinancing your mortgage later on. This means replacing your current mortgage with a new one, maybe with a lower interest rate or different terms. Getting a mortgage in Canada might seem a little confusing, but by understanding the main things like mortgage rates, credit scores, income, and debt ratios, you can be well prepared. Remember to check with different lenders to find the best rates and terms. And don't be afraid to ask questions to make sure you get the right mortgage for you.